I'm gonna go around them. Look at all the bodies that we made.
Doom! Doom! Boom! Boom!
Spider-Man.
Oh, I'm Spider-Man. Spider. Yo, Spider. Wait.
Spider-Man.
Bro, look at me. I'm trying. What do you mean he's working? Oh my god, he's working! Oh my god, he's working! Jackson, go to. Oh. You gotta go around.
Come on, guys. You know the paths? No. Oh crap! Found him.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
What do you mean? No. Oh my god!
Okay.
Oh my god!
I think you might not like the lights, but I think we're safe in here. These lights are like safe zones.
Yeah. Okay, it's not! It's not! Okay, I'm sorry! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god! I fell out of the map. Maybe he's not working.
I'll be working.
Maybe new code. What? Oh, he's working.
Good luck, Jackson.
Look behind you.
That's what we're gonna learn. There he is. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Marcus, I hate you. Hey, come here, man.
Grenade, go!
Where did Jack?
Bro, me and Jackson, me and Marcus were, where's Jackson? We saw an explosion on the other side. I don't like this.
There he is.
Oh, no. Grenade! Go! Bro, my dog don't bite. The dog in question.
Guys?
What?
I'm outside of the map. But, like, I'm not outside of the map. I'm, like, on top of it. Noah, look up.
Oh,
Yo!
Jackson, let's see if there's any this way. We haven't gone this way.
Yeah.
Yo.
Desks? What happened in this room, dude?
Yo, why did the audio get so realistic all of a sudden?
I don't know. Spider-Man! That's big rah-rah. Alright.
Oh my god, he's right there. Oh my god! He's coming towards us.
All in our imagination. I literally saw him bolting towards us.
Me too, bro.
Jackson!
Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no.
Jackson!
Oh
No, look.
what the? Nope. No. Yeah, I need assistance!
Beep, beep.
He's not near me, but I need assistance. Assistance.
You need. He got us.
I need assistance, guys. Oh no. I don't think I'm gonna get assistance!
I'm crazy!
Yeah, but
I'm
it's still
crazy!
so far. All I heard was, I'm crazy!
Doing the thing like in a frickin' jailbreak, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Where's Jackson?
Right here.
Oh. Alright, we're going this way, boy.
I'm crazy. I'm not crazy.
Yo, we go to the right, dog.
Where did we find?
What is that?
What is that?
There's a random line.
It's a metal bar.
Climb.
Yeah. Dude, I know you.
Guys, I made it!
How?
How'd you make it?
You just climb up here from the metal bar.
Ain't no way.
Oh, he's right.
Oh my god. Yo. Let me get a drink. Bonk.
Oh.
Bonk.
I'm going up to freaking nothing.
Bro. Where are you? Bonk.
Get me. Oh.
Oh shit.
Don't.
Now you understand?
Uh-oh.